Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding difficult times. Your strength doesn't come from winning, it comes from struggles and hardships. Everything that you go through prepares you for the next level, as there are no mistakes, no coincidences. All events are blessings giving to us to learn from. Welcome to Earth School, where the goal is not to take the same class over and over. To heal and move on from a difficult time, a good question to ask is, what is this here to teach me? As every situation comes with a life lesson. Please know nothing happens to you. Everything happens for you to experience, for you to learn, for you to grow. Although there are many things outside of our control, we always have a choice in how we choose to respond to life. Therefore, remember, the courage and integrity you demonstrate today will be the experience you share tomorrow. This too shall pass. Make it a great day.